Hi, what's up SiaCoin holders? What's going on this time? In last 3 days, as you can see my friend, the SiaCoin price were more pumps, so it's really great news my brother for all SiaCoin holders to the price is pumps up. SiaCoin price will be increasing if a holder are starting investing, if a holder are starting buying. Otherwise my friend, everybody knows this too, when a holder are starting selling, so the coin is very badly fails down. But this time the SiaCoin condition is very good now, so therefore that's mean to people are starting investing in SiaCoin. And my personal advice, my personal experience, I just want to share now. But remember, this is not a financial video. Kindly research personally before you take any decision. So hope you understand. My friend, this time you can see the SiaCoin price after a very bad fail again starting pumping up. But as you can see my friend, in last 3 days whole circulation, as you can see my friend, the all average is 1.23%. You can see the price will pump up. I think it is temporary pump, and absolutely this is temporary dump also. So therefore don't worry my friend, if they were fails down for a short time, I am 100% sure after this fails they will also take a very huge jump and they will recover this all loss. So therefore my personal experience which I share now for all of you, absolutely tell this my friends, they will completely go to the moon. 0.37% you can see in last 24 hours just only SiaCoin will completely price increase now. So therefore my personal experience, my advice for all of you to please hold out and don't start selling, otherwise my friends this coin will never give you a profit and you are very badly falls down. So please holders, hold down and don't start selling. I hope my friends in upcoming days they will give you a very good profit. See you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.